Here's one of the things we learned in one of my Yoruba classes. I just thought to share with you. Good morning, ẹ káàárọ̀. Good afternoon, ẹ káàsán. Good evening, ẹ káalẹ́. Good night, ó dàárọ̀. Goodbye, ó dàbọ̀. Thank you, ẹ ṣé. How are you? Báwo ni? I'm fine. Mo wà dáadáa. Go, lọ. Come, wá. Sleep, sùn. Eat, jẹ. Take, gbà. Jump, bẹ́. Bathe, wẹ̀. Talk, sọ̀rọ̀. Fly, fò. Sit, jókòó. Stand, dìde. Wait, dúró. Want, fẹ́. Drink, mu. Start, bẹ̀rẹ̀.